Welcome to the second demo of the web archiving work here at Stanford. We've been working on the Wasabi downloader tool, and we have a demo for you today. Basically, what we've implemented so far is code that will use a settings file to get information, also use arguments passed in at the command line, and make actual calls out to the Archiveit Wasabi endpoint and retrieve results. Currently, we have end-to-end implementation of requesting a list of files, and we have some other work that has been done working on downloading individual files, but it's not hooked up for end-to-end. So we're just demonstrating the former. This code is just about ready to be merged into our master branch, but I'm demoing from the branch itself. And essentially, here I am executing code, and I've passed in a collection argument. And this is just obviously debug messages to make it easier to see what's going on, but essentially it made a request. You'll notice I didn't do anything to do a login. That was taken care of by the code. And it came back with all of these lovely files, which are all in the collection indicated. If I were to do a similar request without this collection argument, I would also get back a nice list of files. You'll notice there's no collection argument there. And these files can belong to other collections because we didn't specify. Other things we can specify at the command line include the crawl start date, the crawl ID itself, not the crawl, it's crawl start before and crawl start after are the actual arguments. You can put anything in at the command line and it will take it, but some things won't actually be used. Is it download URL? I don't remember. Excuse me one moment while I look this up. So I could pass in a username, which would get used in the login, but as you can see, it does not show up as part of what's passed in here because it's only used in the login. So that's what we've got on our Wasabi downloader tool, which is coming along nicely. And the other thing we wanted to share with you was Christina Harlow has been hard at work. She's our new data wrangler. I've forgotten her official title. But she's been working on this excellent documentation looking at how our web archiving data is ingested into the SDR, which also ingests it into our Wayback Machine and makes it available to our cataloging tool SearchWorks in some cases. SDR stands for Stanford Digital Repository. And this is actually a very thorough document. It's behind the Stanford firewall, so see this, but she did a really nice job, and she's thinking about what we're going to be doing to facilitate moving big data through our pipelines. This is but one of the big data things we do, but she diagrammed it all out, and this is actually going to be really useful to us here at Stanford. That ends our demo for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.